Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Satisfy your French fries cravings with these crispy fried potato wedges seasoned with herbs, chilies and garlic. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, they are to die for. First, have 4 medium-sized potatoes peeled and cut into 8 slices like this and soak it in water for half an hour. And this will ensure that the potatoes are crispy outside and soft inside. Drain the water from these potato wedges and transfer to a saucepan. You can use the potatoes with the skin on if you prefer so. Pour enough water to cover the potatoes and boil them on a high flame for exactly 5 minutes. Let's check the potatoes. They are half cooked and that's exactly what we want. Strain the parboiled potatoes onto a plate. And for the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Next, take enough oil in a pan to shallow fry the potatoes. Meanwhile, take 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. And now give it a good mix. You can also adjust the salt as per your preference. Then add a 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Add water little at a time as we want the batter to be free of any lumps. Now add another 1/4 cup of water and again give it a good mix. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. I'm adding another 2 tablespoons of water as the batter is thick. And mix it well again. This is the perfect consistency I want, like that of a dosa batter. Drop the parboiled potatoes into the spice batter and mix it well until the batter coats the potatoes thoroughly. You know, potato wedges are a delicious side dish that goes well with most other dishes, and they are much simpler to make than French fries. It'll make a perfect side dish for burgers, sandwiches, roasted or grilled meat, and are much easier to prepare. Now, dip the batter coated potatoes one at a time in the hot oil without overcrowding the pan, as we do not want the wedges to stick to each other. Separate the wedges if they are sticking together and cook on a medium flame until they are golden and crispy. You know, this will be the most delicious appetizer that will have you licking your fingers and the bowl. The potato wedges are perfect and done. They are golden and crispy on the outside, so drain the potatoes from the oil and transfer to a plate lined with tissue paper. Now, for the seasoning, take a tablespoon of butter in a pan. As the butter is melting away, add 6 garlic cloves that's finely chopped and saute until golden for a minute on a high flame. Once the garlic is brown, put off the flame and add a teaspoon of red chili flakes and give it a good mix. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Add the fried potatoes into this herb butter and mix well until the herbs coat the potatoes completely. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Did you know that potatoes are a great source of vitamin B6, which helps in building new cells in your body? Plate the seasoned wedges onto a plate and serve it hot with tomato ketchup or a yogurt and mayo dip. You can serve it hot as a snack or as an appetizer or as a side. It's yum! If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week, and until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye bye!